Top news headlines: mobile internet services in Assam finally restored. Agriculture is the mainstay of state economy, says Deputy CM. And kidnapped Manipuri girl rescued from Visakhapatnam. Hello, good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. This is Maria Pangamam giving you the news in details. Mobile internet services in Assam were finally restored at around 9 a.m. this morning after a gap of 10 days. The restoration, however, came 16 hours after the Guwahati High Court ordered the internet service providers to resume services yesterday. The internet in the state was nabbed following the massive protests and law and order situation over the Citizenship Amendment Act on December 11 last. The lifting of ban on mobile internet came as much respite for general public as well as those whose work is solely dependent on it. The 3-day-long state-level farmers' fair has kicked off today at the ICAR campus Lamfelfat, Imphal. The event is organized by ICAR, the Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar Singh, Vice Chancellor of Central Agricultural University Professor M. Premjit Singh, Commissioner of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur M. Hare Krishna Singh, and other dignitaries were on the dais during the opening function. Around 50 stalls of organic and agricultural products have been put up at the fair. Talking at the event, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar said that agriculture is the mainstay of the state economy. He said ICAR and Central Agricultural University help local farmers in increasing their income by means of improving agricultural technology. He also underlined on the need to develop agriculture in order to bring progress in Manipur.
What I would like to emphasize on this occasion is, let's not forget about the importance of the indigenous seeds, indigenous variety of the food items, because the indigenous items are the ones which have been grown at that particular place for years, for centuries, and those are the varieties which have tasted the time and are the most suitable ones.
An aesthetically pleasing odor flower.
Manipur Police, Visakhapatnam Police and an NGO rescued a kidnapped Manipuri girl from a lodge in Visakhapatnam on December 16. They also managed to arrest the alleged kidnapper named Nongzao Mayum Asik, aged 35 years. A police report said a toy gun was recovered from the accused, who posed himself as an army major. The victim, a minor girl from Taspur Mayai Lekai, along with the accused were brought back to the state on December 18. The accused was produced before a POSCO court yesterday, which remanded him to police custody for the 9 days, a report said. The situation across Uttar Pradesh remains tense today in the wake of violence in Lucknow and Sambal, where protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act turned ugly yesterday. As of now, the Uttar Pradesh police has arrested over 350 people in connection with Thursday's violent protests which led not only to the destruction of property but also to the death of one protester in Lucknow. The anti-CAA protests in parts of Uttar Pradesh turned out to be the most violent among all the protests in the country. The protests in Lucknow and Sambal in particular turned ugly as protesters clashed with police, pelted stones, burned post station and caused significant damage to property. We have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
20th Kids Foundation. Admission open for classes pre-nursery to class 2. Facilities available. Daycare open. Van services. Art education classes. Sport painting. Field visit study. Audio video classes. Smart classes, etc. Pre-nursery Satro Singi Oina Chahi Ama pencil, eraser amadi notebook lemna pijagani. Amadi mama mapa lejadraba angang singi damakta lemna mahi tambagi kudom chabsu pijari. Ngasi maglengsin biro 20th Kids Foundation. Kongba Bajar Thong Macha. Kagi contact number 700-5447154 natraga 9856703533. Lengsin biro. Hangbiragani mafam asida makhal kaya gi genuine oiba imported amasung Indian brand gi fitness and bodybuilding gi supplements sing. Loina na Indian brand Green X Nutrition gi distributor su oizari. Ngasi maglengsin biro anti-nutrition store Iron Gym. Singzamai Sapam Laikai near Singzamai Parking. Contact us at 730-86-92560.
Takshila Institute. Admission open. Courses on offer. Takshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Takshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Takshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamibandi and College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna Pungkun Mari Chupna Miam gi Seba Taugzari. Ambulance Service Asina Miam the Pizari Bus Servicing the Yumdagi Hospital da Pukhatpa, Hospital dagi Yumda Puthaba, Hospital Amadagi Hospital Amada Puba, Yum Thang Nariba State Sing the Anaba Sing Puba Amadi Loba, Luinana, India gi Mafang Kudimakta Chatpa Yaraba Air Ambulance ki Service Asina Chingmani. Masida natana lambigi accidenta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyamgi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak sep takshin biu aikhoigi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu pakhong ama chalake
chalune
chahi amagi plan toge haradi
phau pambi thabiyo
chahi taragi plan toge haradi
u pambi thabiyo
chahi chamagi plan di
ichabu afaba school da mahi tamhanbiyo
icha kaina afaba school haidi
lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba school du da adum changne na coaching tohonba
mama mapa ga chamana na warak watembi ba
gym aerobic dance football thangta
mamang da 12 exam gi topper su puthokhraba
khwaidigi chawba nanba khwaidigi phaba school Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra
chumme yam khangi ko
yes only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. Bisnupur District VDA Welfare Association, under the guidance of Bisnupur Superintendent of Police Priyadarshini Lystrom, today extended monetary aid to the wife of late VDA personnel Anand during a simple gathering at the deceased residence. Anand died following an illness on 10th of this month. He was a resident of Bisnupur Ward number 4.
Mamang da khoi provisional tax si kakku matam da khongkat ki na so yauk traga khoi video khok te ki kakku maram kari no as minister na khoi da tapi hi ba khoi ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯝ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯄꯤꯅꯕꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯧ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯝꯒꯥꯔꯗ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ BDFꯀꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ BDFꯀꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ BDFꯀꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ
Bisnupur District VDF Welfare Association President L. Devan drew the attention of Chief Minister and Biren towards issues faced by VDF personnel and their families in times of any misfortune. He also appealed to the government to increase the honorarium of the VDF as promised earlier. As part of the distress relief work initiated by Ram Krishna Mission Center in Fall under the aegis of ITC Limited India, cloths were distributed to the residents of Nungbrang in Imphal East. The program was organized in collaboration with Evergreen Farmers Club Yaripok Nungbrang at Tumkong Lariambi Community Hall, Nungbrang. An oil tanker of Bharat Petroleum plunged into a large pond last afternoon at Yaripok Ngaria near Andro. As per a report, the driver lost control and fell into the pond located on a roadside. No casualties were reported during the accident. Indigenous People Protection Committee and Women Action Committee for Village Protection jointly staged a sit-in protest against Citizenship Amendment Act at Lakipur Kunao of Kasar District in Assam yesterday. AIPPC President Sohadev Rasbongsi, Women Action Committee for Village Protection President Sunita Kontauzam and General Secretary R.K. Malesori and several others took part in the demonstration. All India Tanjim-e-Insaf, Manipur State Council, Darul Ulum Manipur and Anjuman Islahi Mausara Manipur jointly staged a sit-in protest against Citizenship Amendment Act at Lilong Masjid Road of Tauba yesterday. Later on, a protest rally was also held. Another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Manipur Miyam gi nungairaba paujel British Clinical Excellence Award panglaba heart ke ana layeng da sahi kuntra gi matak experience leiraba Dr. L. Shyam Kishore Manipur gi ahan mamasung amata ngairaba FRCP London oiraba heart specialist asigi makada Sky Hospital da pung kumari chupna heart ki makal makha kaya gi ana layeng bagi khudong chaba phangbigani miyam na pambibagi matung inna OPD consultation su pijari matamdi ayuk pung nipan dagi ama phawwa nungthil pung ani dagi manga phawwa loinana RBSK gi card pairaba singi oinadi OPD amadi eco free oijagani Sky Hospital na pijariba atopa khudong chaba singsu lobi ho akupa maron gi damak reception ga tanabi
Adongi gari edu mangkhini haibagi hojikti mipainingai oidre subnatagi lupa 2,500 piba Vedlock hairiba vehicle anti-theft lock asina irai laina ngakthokpa ngamle device installation su free oijagani ngasimang lengsin biro Kulhu Techno Solution Friends Colony Mantri Pukri Imphal buy online at kulhu.com phone number 7005117881 natraga 9615227146 Sunday open timing 7 AM to 4 PM
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers pan-India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 6009445522.
Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Porompat opposite Doordasan Kendra Imphal recognized by BOSEM and COSEM. Admission open for the academic session 2020 for the classes pre-nursery to class 8. With the completion of 30 years of service in the field of education, school is pleased to announce special concession for admission to nursery and pre-nursery. For more details, please contact Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Porompat opposite Doordasan Kendra Imphal. Traditional Healing Center adungai ipa-ipu haktaktagi chanaraklaba maitei hidakna layingjari. Iramdamda fangliba manamasing kaya sizinaduna side effect laitana layingjari. Hakchanggi mari suba saru sayang samba amadi singli lonsinaba khaktanatana haksang fagatpa ngamdana leiba kaya fagalhan mangamba layingni. Ngasi maglengsin birau Traditional Healing Center, National Game Village Road, Lamfelpat 795004. Contact number 961-255-8587.
Welcome back. Youth wing of Mizoram's main opposition party, Joram People's Movement, yesterday wrote to President Ramnath Kovind, imploring him to reconsider the Citizenship Amendment Act so it is not enforced in the country. The letter was submitted through State Governor P.S. Sridharan Pillai. In the letter, the JPM youth said it has staunch stand against the Citizenship Amendment Act. It said that the amendment law has been vociferously opposed by people in different parts of the country, including Mizoram. In Mizoram, the Amendment Act was strongly opposed by the people as it seeks to grant citizenship to illegal immigrants from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan, which contradicts the basic principle and certain provision of the Constitution, the letter as per sources. Vladimir Putin has criticized the impeachment of Donald Trump, dismissing the charges as absolutely made up and saying he expected the U.S. president to survive the historic proceedings. In remarks reminiscent of Trump himself, Putin said during an annual press conference that U.S. Democrats were seeking to make up for their loss in the 2016 presidential election by other means, ascribing the impeachment proceedings to political infighting. Trump is the third president in U.S. history to be charged with high crimes and misdemeanors and face removal from office by the U.S. Senate. Trump is not expected to be removed from office, however, due to the Republican Senate majority. With protests against Citizenship Act fanning out across the nation, the United States government today advised its U.S. citizens in India to exercise caution, keep a low profile and avoid areas with demonstrations and civil disturbances. The Russian government also advised its citizens who are in India or planning to visit the country to be vigilant, cautious, avoid crowds and refrain from visiting areas controlled by protesters. Last week, several countries including the US, UK, Israel, Canada and Singapore had asked their citizens to exercise caution while traveling to the northeastern states in India, which have been witnessing violent protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. Now let's have the sports news. Two ultra-marathon runners from Sikkim are all set to participate in the ultra-marathon Bengaluru to be held on December 22 next. As per media reports, marathon man of Sikkim Amar Suva and his student Siva Hang Limbu will participate in 50K category of this ultra-marathon. The event is being organized by Bengaluru-based NEV Sports. Now let's have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Chief Minister promises to table financial white paper. Citizenship Act. Protests raged across India. Lam Sendrang spotted at Konkham. State keen to enforce NRC, says Biren. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister denies financial collapse. Vows white paper. Jamwal assures ministry reshuffle. Time not fixed. Anti-CAA protests raged across cities. Violence in UP, Bihar. Don't fret over saving state, says Kokomi to MLAs. Imphal Free Press. National-wide outrage against CA. 2 killed in Mangaluru, 1 in Lucknow. Citizenship Act. Left parties, general strike affects normal life. Police pick up many protesters. State has 301 registered money lenders. NRC to be introduced in state before next assembly election. NPF pulls up party MP for voting in favor of CAB. The Morning Bell. NRC exercise will begin after green signal from centre, says Chief Minister. 3,669 illegal immigrants were prevented from entering state, informs Bahrain. Nationwide stir against CAA, including in BJP-ruled states. Opposition alleges financial collapse in government. Chief Minister denies. Election for BJP's party president postponed. Strike called by left parties passed off peacefully. Around 50 protesters arrested. Manipur Mail. NRC in Manipur also. Chief Minister Bahrain informs House. Strike against CAA affects life.
Before we wind up the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Mobile internet services in Assam finally restored. Agriculture is the mainstay of state economy, says Deputy Chief Minister. And kidnapped Manipuri girl rescued from Visakhapatnam. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.